Well, it's hard to tell a performer that still,
Yeah, but you have to balance things and sacrifice half a make. After she have the youth, she can go get back to whatever she had do. That's all out for now.
Well, them said the first trimester pregnancy are the most fragile.
I'm glad you know. You need to tell she that.
Me gotta talk to her.
Better you than me, Cause me not gonna have nothing good to say.
You aren't pretty as someone else,
She has something else. Me good.
Okay, Mr. Perfect.
I don't say perfect, But me not tell her nothing wrong. You know much woman out there well want a youth and can't get one. You know much woman out there dash a youth too. And she a bring a youth, a bring a life, and I run risk with it. Tonian.
Yeah?
How you go? You lost a while ago,
I saw me that think about.
I could have won that now. You want a little one too?
Yeah, but not right now.
Well, nobody wait too long, You better bust my cuz. Quick!
I can't say anything, Me, I forgot through the 9 months while him still there street.
Such is life. That's what the thing said. You have to just deal with it. You have to just deal with it.
That's why I have to prepare myself, sir.
Alright, anything you say, tea. But differently. I want to come out of the bed a little cleaner. Let me go in and cheer them.
Alright, I'll go feed.
Bring it, honest.
Then I wish I'm for bringing that here, so.
I'm
We over there saying it.
Somebody should have done it in a light,
Don't worry yourself, okay?
But drop me. You need to call me on career.
Carrying up on my mind.
I think.
All this I'm going to trap myself. Wait.
No, you can't. We have to go back out and come back in. Turn the chair.
Alright. So come in, you still have something here.
No, turn.
Stay with me.
Turn the chair.
Sir! Who there? Service!
Why is that some familiar though?
A savage. Come in there, Savo.
Oh, a police savage?
Yes, sir. You see money.
So what am I doing wrong, sir?
You know you will support the shop every now and then.
Good that, bro.
You want to watch TV?
Yeah. Turn the TV, but...
You want to go in and cheers? So.
No, I don't forget that shit.
So which way you watch the TV, right, sir?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, Masuko.
You know I did a good business, How long me I call?
A 2 times you call savage. Nobody exaggerate.
I should have 1 time.
Because I have a guess.
Guess? I know the hobby. I'm a shepherd.
You don't love your voice. I'm a shepherd. A quick.
Quick? What quick I do?
His girlfriend busy with some studio work, so he must stay with me for a few days.
Oh, Zine. So, him stay? Him do the surgery yet?
Yeah, they remove the bullet, but him not start feeling a sensation. No, I don't say yet.
That might not take a while still, but But anyway, you're gonna need therapy and them things, you know?
I know, and Prinny I try find one. You want to come heal him?
Yeah, man, but you come to talk to still, you know?
Boa.
Morning.
Good morning.
I juice, man. Here.
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How much is that?
$17.
Alright.
Alright.
Savage, give me a name. Here you go.
Alright, thank you very
You're
much. Here.
welcome.
Respect.
Man. Alright, no worries.
Come in. What do you want to talk about? Something wrong?
No, miss. Someone's on an assignment when need to give.
I hear about it, but I think him gonna call me and brief me.
You asked me if I come talk to you about it.
Oh, okay.
Well, forward now. I'm bringing
Aye.
cran water.
Cran water?
Just cough.
Alright. Go. Hold on.
Alright. My phone stealing ring. I'm going in and around the carpet here for the past few months now.
You mean hold on pan people and take them phone?
No, it's really an organized thing. First we did see it as random, but we realized that the same style I pop up at different places now.
What kind of style?
Well, hear this. Them have a way now where them a target the females they have them phone on them hand. So here how them do it. You have your phone in your hand and a youth run up to you and beg you a call. But on that style him start to tell you a story like him baby mother just get taken in the hospital and need to make an urgent call. So when you give him the call, while him there on the phone, and next youth run up, grab the phone from him and run off. The one that beg you the call, start run him down. And then the two of them disappear and gone.
What you say?
Yup.
It's a clever style that you know?
I'm here to tell you. Suspects, so they must sell back the phone them to the scammer them.
So, are the grabber on one wall?
Nah man, that of the ordinary police. We want all the mastermind behind this.